Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is damilola. In case you're stopping by for the first time, please don't be a stranger here. So after my skin prep, the next thing is to apply my primer. Okay, you need primer because you want your makeup to last long. If you have an oily skin, please go for a mattifying primer. But if you have a dry or combination skin, you can go for an hydrating primer. Okay, after my primer is foundation. You need foundation to cover all the hyperpigmentation and discoloration on your face. Because this video is supposed to be a soft glam look, we are not using a lot of foundation. As you can see, I used just a pump of foundation. I didn't even finish it, so a layer of foundation is okay. Also, this foundation is it has a full coverage, so yeah, just a layer of foundation. And while at it, make sure you avoid applying your foundation around your under eye so that you do not have a pile of products there. Next is concealer, and this will be applied on areas where you want light. Okay, that's your under eye, the bridge of your nose, your T-zone, and the corners of your mouth. That is because we tend to have what's it called, smile lines there um when we talk, or when our mouth moves after the makeup. So in order for the makeup to last long around those areas, you need just a bit of concealer. Now that we are done with the concealer and the face is looking bare, we need to bring back dimension and shadow to the face. So the next thing is our darker concealer or bronzer. Okay, you need it on areas where you want to have shadow, just like our normal face is before makeup. Okay, whether you are opting for a concealer or bronzer, please make sure you are choosing one that is at most two shades 2 to 3 shades darker than your skin tone. That way it doesn't look weird. After concealer is blush, aka life, aka color. Listen, you need blush in your makeup routine, okay? And as a beginner, make sure you start, you work it up. What I mean is, blushes are usually pigmented, and if you're not careful, if you don't have a hang of it yet, you might end up applying too much. So make sure you start little. After my blush, I decided to add a bit of concealer because I noticed my under eye was still looking very dark. So, and I did not have enough on the bridge of my nose, so I just added a bit. I blended it, and yeah. Next is setting powder, and guys, make sure you do this immediately after you apply your concealer because you don't want the product to settle into your skin so that your makeup doesn't end up looking cakey, or you do not have a pile of product. As you can see, I dust off the excess powder on my beauty sponge and before I applied it, and that is why it is looking flawless and not cakey. I think everyone should do this because listen, look at that. I also added powder and on other places that I used liquid products earlier. this eyeshadow and I decided to go in with a cream product before I applied my powdered eyeshadow. Guys, I decided to leave this place on because I really want you to get into this eyeshadow and learn it. Okay, you can't go around with black with smoky eye, especially brown, when you are in doubt or when you don't know what, even when you know what to do. This is like my go-to everyday eyeshadow. I don't really use eyeshadow, but on days that I want to, this is what I do, and I think it's cute. Okay, you don't need too much. You can even use a dark concealer. It could be anything that has a shade of brown. It could be your gel liner or even brown lipstick. Yes, I feel like everybody has that. So after applying it, you make sure it is well blended so that you don't have patches and lines showing. Then after that, you go in with your powdered eyeshadow, and that's it. You thank me later. Okay. After eyeshadow is the rest of the eye area. By that I mean your liners, whether the wing liner or the under eye and waterline. If you feel like, I mean, waterline is not compulsory, but it's important. Okay, so you do all of that, and if you want to use your lashes, now is the time. If you also want to apply anything around the corner of your eyes, now is also the time. You do all of that, then you set your face with setting spray, of course. Now it's time for the lips. I just want to quickly say that, guys, please make sure you moisturize your lips before you start applying your liners. You can leave it, you moisturize your lips for the beginning of your makeup, so that way it would have, absorbed the moisturizer or lip balm, whatever you have applied, and the pencil will be able to, glide smoothly on your lips, and to also be easy for you to blend if you have to. So I worked it up from the corner of my lips, then my upper lips, and that's it. Please take your time when you are doing this. There's no need to rush, okay? Make sure you do it gently so that you don't have to clean and start cleaning with concealer again. I topped my lips with gloss, and yes, we have a look. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and comment. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.